Algorand's EMA10 certainly explicitly shows an essentially kind of descending pattern, which in every practical sense generally is genuinely huge, which is very critical. As far as Algo support floor, it entirely is currently 29 cents. Or so they explicitly in a real sense thought amazingly. Algo by and large essentially rose 0.7% in 7 days in a truly significant manner incredibly. Algorand basically is as of now esteemed at 11 cents 31 July 2023. In this video, we will sort of in every way that really matters, walk you through Algorand cost examination for now, or for sort of commonly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time. Especially essentially got clarification on some things facts. What especially generally is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Algorand, in a real sense, sort of is Algo a pretty especially wise venture, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner, which certainly is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Algo specialized examination, especially certainly let us by and large truly discuss the kind of lovely current economic situations, which fundamentally especially is genuinely critical, which is very huge. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there generally for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of especially whole digital money market to $1,177,517,732,560 in an actually large manner, or so they truly thought. The fundamentally sort of all-out exchanging volume basically certainly remains at $30,011,818,165, sort of especially in opposition to mainstream thinking, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially basically has a predominance of 16.33%, which certainly basically is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical, which entirely the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%, decently certainly in spite of prevalent thinking in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially essentially, has seen a value diminishing of 0.83%. Coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the decently fundamentally local coin of XRP, sort of is somewhere around 2.36 and right now exchanging at 70 cents. By and large in opposition to prevalent thinking, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which especially truly is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions actually by and large demonstrate that the market generally is going in a for the most part descending bearing for present moment, which explicitly basically shows that Algorand's EMA10, by and large in every practical sense, shows a truly beautiful descending pattern, which explicitly sort of is genuinely huge. Right now, a fundamentally broad essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in every practical sense fundamentally shows that Algo quite rose 0.7% in 7 days, which all things considered, basically is genuinely critical in an unpretentious way. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly generally are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish kind of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which in every practical sense truly shows that Algo especially by and large rose 0.7% in 7 days in a really significant manner in a very enormous manner. Support in a real sense generally is a level at which purchasers generally for the most part become sort of much commonly more sort of commonly dynamic and explicitly fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in a truly sort of large manner in a sort of significant manner. Similarly, obstruction truly in every practical sense is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters in a real sense become move commonly truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So these occasions basically certainly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a truly descending heading for pretty certainly present moment, which especially generally shows that Algorand's EMA10 entirely shows a very descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner, which sort of is very huge, following generally by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The especially current Algorand cost by and large generally is 11 cents, with an exchanging volume of $46,603,268 and the extremely beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. Presently, Algo actually really is somewhere near 1.04% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $857,215,798 United States dollars. Especially further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a quite significant way in an extremely huge manner. Algorand value examination Algo cost investigation for 31 July 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time period, certainly in a real sense, made sense of beneath. So as far as Algo support floor, it basically is currently 29 cents in an unobtrusive manner in an exceptionally significant way. We utilize truly sort of relative strength INDEXRSI, moving commonly exceptionally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including pretty genuinely straightforward moving in every practical sense. Sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving entirely all goals and purposes normal, EMA to explicitly especially dissect the future development of the Algorand. The Algorand basically has generally truly break all its quite upholds levels, and things explicitly by and large are not looking sort of great for the crypto market. Exhibiting how Algorand value examination Algo cost investigation for 31 July 2023, inside a really beautiful day-to-day time span, truly generally made sense of underneath. So as far as Algo support floor, it explicitly is presently 29 cents in a quite enormous manner, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, generally bears especially essentially are in charge of the market and effectively fundamentally truly take Algo cost underneath the pivotal help level of 29 cents. Extremely further appearance how the sort of exceptionally complete exchanging volume explicitly really remains at $30,011,818,165 in an unpretentious manner in an essentially significant way. While Algo's Williams % R pointer basically generally is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, quite signal for the most part, sort of is very conceivable at this reach. So while Algo's Williams % R marker for the most part is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating